In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically sync items to multiple boards in Monday.com. This is a fantastic way to ensure your team stays updated across different projects without having to manually duplicate information. Monday.com makes it easy for teams to collaborate, and this feature will enhance your efficiency even more. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to monday.com. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll need to log in to get started. Once you're on the website, click on the login button, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. This will lead you to the login options. If you've set up your monday.com account with Google, you can click on the Google button. It'll prompt you to select your Google account. Choose the account linked to monday.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard where all your boards reside. Now, you want to head over to the board where you want to create the sync. On your dashboard, find that specific board you're focusing on and click to open it. This will be your starting point for syncing items. Within the board, look for the table area. There you'll see a small plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new columns. Click this plus icon as it allows you to customize your boards with various kinds of columns. You'll then come across the option to connect boards. Click on Connect Boards, and this feature is what enables sync across different boards, thus keeping everything you or your team manages cohesive. After clicking, follow through by selecting Select Boards. This step lets you choose which boards you want to connect to the current one. It's like a roadmap, ensuring that all necessary boards are united under this feature. Once you've clicked on Select Boards, browse through the options available and choose the board you wish to connect. By doing this, you are determining where the data will flow and update automatically. When you've made your choice, proceed by clicking on Create a two-way connection. This option ensures that information can move seamlessly back and forth between your selected boards. It's not just a one-way street. Updates happen on both ends. Finally, confirm your settings by clicking Connect Boards, and you are all set. With this setup, any changes you make on the primary board will reflect on the connected board and vice versa, saving time and reducing manual errors. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to keep your Monday.com boards synchronized effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it boosts your productivity as you work on your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.